Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Today in this video, I will be sharing with the 40 plus amazing exterior home design ideas that will transform your space. So let's get started. Idea number 1. Add a pop of colors. A vibrant front door can make a huge impact and give you the home a fresh and inviting look. Choose a color that complete the rest of your exterior and instantly transform your entrance into a true statement piece. Idea number 2. Incorporate the natural elements. Create a warm and welcoming ambiances by adding the natural elements to your exterior design. Install a wooden pergola or the trellis and adorn it with climbing plants such as jasmine or wisteria. This will not only add beautifuls and the very beauty but also provide the shade and the privacy to your outdoor space. If you like this type of video, you can subscribe my channel and comments and share this video. Idea number 3. Upgrade your lighting. Proper outdoor lighting not only enhance the overall aesthetics of your home but also improve the safety and the security. Consider the stylish wall corners and the pendant lights along your pathway and the front porch to create an inviting atmosphere. Idea number 4. Introduce the textures with the stones or a brick. Adding a stone or brick features wall to your exterior designs can instantly elevate its appearance. These timeless and the classic materials adds depth and the characters, giving your home a sophisticated and a luxury feel. Idea number 5. Pay the attentions to details. Some details can make a big differences in exterior home design. Upgrade your home house numbers and the mailbox and the door hardwares with the sleek and the modern options that complement the style of your home. This simple upgrade will create a cozy look and enhance the overall curves appeal. Yeah, you can see that, and your encouragement for me and my channel is very valuable for us because this type of video is very enhancing, very important role play in enhancing your beauty of your home. Yeah, in this video the different showcase innovative ideas such as incorporating eye-catching landscaping elements and utilizing the unique exterior color combinations and adding the architecture's details that make a statements. We also explore how using the specific materials and the textures can create a cozy and the visually appealing exterior. Furthermore, we provide the different inciting tips and the maximizing the outdoor space, creating the functional area for entertaining guests and the optimizing the natural lighting for a bright and the welcoming ambience. Our step-by-step guidance ensures that you can easily implement these designs and bringing your exterior